Hey, this is Jody Mollet, Plowboy Diesel. Your eyes are not playing tricks on you. We have two 5.9 Cummins diesels in this build, basically 720 cubic inches of diesel power, or 11.8 liters if you're into liters. Both engines are twin turbos, sponsored by Area Diesel. We've got a gearbox that ties both engines into one output shaft. We got one transmission, automatic 47 RE Chrysler Trans, sponsored by BD Diesel, which it just, from there back, it's just a simple factory build truck. You know, you got a drive shaft and a rear end. It all just sounds way more complicated than it is. We've got lots of things that need monitored for two engines. So Speedhut hooked us up with some custom gauges, monitor 18 functions. Back here are the radiators from Radiator Supply House / Icebox Performance. We got one on that side, one here. Each of them have a fan inside the bed, hidden. The coolant actually gets back here through the frame rail. The frame is right now is sitting there with coolant in it. Goes through that frame rail, through the driver's side radiator, underneath the bed through a tube to a radiator on the passenger side, back into the frame rail, back up front to inside the engine. We also have two Air Dog pumps back here to transfer the fuel, one for each engine. The only thing that the fuel systems share is one return line. Here are the major components of monitoring functions of two engines, and Speedhut has supplied these awesome things. What we have, your basic monitoring functions, except times two. You know, you got your regular speedometer and tachometer, and we got, you know, temperature for two engines, fuel pressure for two engines, you know, oil pressure for two engines, water temperature. It's amazing how simple that this all went together for being what we thought would be a very complex wiring nightmare. It's just been an awesome time building this, to be invited out here to SEMA and have Speedhut here, Icebox Performance. I know BD Diesel's here. It's an honor to be out here and an honor to work with all of our sponsors.